Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dave. This is GVA, Ghetto Van Adventures. Woo, it's hot. I'm opening up this bag of chicken and tomato potato chips from Lay's. It's new. Flavors from China. Oh yeah. So, I'll open these up. Chicken chips. It smells like chicken chips. And it has a little tomato fragrance also. Okay, I'm down to try it. That's what they look like, nothing. Tastes sweet. Tastes a little chickeny, a lot tomatoey. I actually like these. Yeah, I actually like these. Now, for 27 chips, I hope I didn't shoot any food there. For 27 chips, 270 calories, 17 grams of fat, 27 grams of carbs, 3 grams of protein, 0 cholesterol, 270 sodium. They're not what I expected. I expected more of a, like I've had chicken chips before. These have a very, very, very slight chicken. I don't know if they even taste like tomato. They're pretty good. Got a little water just to see if it resets my flavor. I taste more tomato than ketchup. You know, if you have ketchup chips, I taste more tomatoey than ketchupy. It's sweet. I just get a faint bit of chicken. I like these. I really do. Not an overpowering flavor, it's just really good. Well, I'm gonna have a couple more of these. Now, if you see these out, I know Wayne, Nomadic Van Man, he might have found these. But if you guys see these out there, flavors from China. It's new from Lay's. Chicken and tomato. I like it. I actually really like these chips. Like they have a nice flavor to, I find anyway. They're not ketchupy, they're more tomatoey with just a hint of chicken, if that sounds right. Anyway, guys, that's about it. That's my review. You guys take care. Please be safe on the road.